In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your Aadhaar card in your Payoneer account. This is an important step if you're looking to verify your identity and ensure smooth transactions with Payoneer. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Payoneer account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Payoneer website URL. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Payoneer, make sure you have your login details ready. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. It's a small but crucial step because this menu leads to all the settings you need to access your account details. Once you see the drop-down menu, locate the Settings option. Click on Settings to proceed. The Settings section is essentially your control panel for managing various aspects of your account, from personal information to security settings. Next, within the Settings menu, you should look for the Verification Center. Click on it to open this section. This is where you can submit documents like your Aadhaar card for verification purposes. It's worth mentioning that the Verification Center is a hub for all identity verification processes you might need to complete. If Aadhaar card submission is available for your account, you will see an option to upload it here. It's important to note that sometimes the Aadhaar submission may not be visible. This could happen if it's not required for your account at the moment. But if you do see it, simply follow the on-screen instructions to upload your Aadhaar card. Ensure your document is clear and all details are readable to avoid any delays in verification. If for some reason you don't see the option to submit an Aadhaar card, don't worry. This could simply mean it's not relevant to your account at this time. Payoneer often updates their system, so it's always a good idea to check back later or contact their support for clarification. And there you have it. You've now learned how to navigate through your Payoneer account and submit your Aadhaar card for verification. This process not only helps secure your account, but also facilitates seamless financial transactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions or comments below if you need further assistance.